Hello everyone. So for today, ang gagawin naman natin is paano kumuha ng greatest common factor and lowest common multiple using the Canon F789 SGA. So yung problem natin dito is find the GCF and LCM of 21, 57, and 69. So first kunin muna natin si GCF, press natin si apps, then select natin si number 8. So yung GCD dito, ibig sabihin siya si greatest common divisor or the greatest common factor. So press natin si 8. And then i-type natin yung mga numbers natin, yung 21, then shift, then close open parenthesis para sa comma, 57, ganun ulit, and 69. So yung greatest common factor natin to these three numbers is 3. So yun yung greatest common factor natin. Ulitin natin. So para hindi na tayo mag-back to 0, pwede nating galawin tong arrow keys natin. Erase lang natin itong opening na parenthesis, maalis si GCD, press natin si apps, ulit, and then select natin si 7, which is si LCM or least common multiple. So ito na ngayon, yung kukunin natin. Then press natin equals. So yung least common multiple nilang tatlo is 9,177. Ganun lang yung pagkuha ng greatest common factor and lowest common multiple using the Canon F789 SGA.